Are you trying to open widgets on your Windows 11 PC, but it is not working? In this video, you will see how to fix Windows 11 widgets not working. Try some common fixes. Before going into complex troubleshooting methods, first try some simple fixes. The first thing you can do is restart your PC. Restarting fixes most Windows problems, so it could also fix the widgets for you. Another thing is you should check the internet connection. Widgets use the internet to work effectively, so you need to make sure you have a stable internet connection. Also, check if there is a Windows update available. If it is a known issue, Microsoft might release a patch to fix the widgets, so install the latest available updates. Enable widgets from the settings. Let's check if the widgets are disabled from the settings. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to Personalization, here scroll down and click on Taskbar. Now check the Widgets option. If it is disabled, use the toggle button to enable it. If it is already enabled, try disabling it and enabling it again. Now check if the widgets are visible on the taskbar and check if it is working. If not, follow the next fixes. Restart the Widgets and File Explorer process. The Widgets process makes sure that your widgets are working perfectly. Sometimes the process could get hung and not work properly. The Windows Explorer process is responsible in some manner. We can restart the process and see if the widgets are working or not. Right-click on the Start menu and select Task Manager. Now, in the Task Manager's Process tab, locate Windows Widgets. If you can't find it, look for widgets.exe process. Now right-click on it and select End Process. After a few seconds, the widgets process will restart automatically. Now locate Windows Explorer, right-click on it, and select Restart. Hopefully, your widgets will start working. Install or repair Microsoft Edge Web View 2. Your Widgets app on Windows 11 uses Edge Web View 2 to display the web content. If your PC doesn't have this feature, your widgets will not work properly. You can install the Edge Web View 2 by visiting the Microsoft Developer website. The link is in the description. Click on the Download button. In the Evergreen Bootstrapper section, click on the Download button and accept the terms. Now run the installer. If your PC doesn't have the web view, it will download and install it. Now, if the feature is already installed on your PC, you can try repairing it. To do that, click on your Start menu and open Settings. Go to the Apps section, click on Installed Apps. Here, search for WebView. Then here, click on this three-dot menu and select Modify. Click Yes in the UAC pop-up. Then click on the Repair button. The repair process will download the fresh files and install them. Let the process complete. Restart your system and try opening the widgets. Install Windows Web Experience Pack. The Windows Web Experience Pack helps the Widgets app to work efficiently. If you have an updated version of Windows 11, your PC will have this feature. The widgets will not work even when this pack is outdated. So open the Microsoft Store, click on Library. Now locate the Windows Web Experience Pack. Click on the Update button and update the program. Switch to a Microsoft account. If you are using a local account to access your Windows 11 PC, you might face issues with the widgets. Although Microsoft has stopped the requirement of a Microsoft account for the widgets, you can still try signing in with a Microsoft account and see if the widgets work on that. To do that, open Settings. Go to the Account section, click on your info, then here under Account Settings, you will see Sign in with a Microsoft account instead. Then enter your credentials and check if the widgets are accessible or not. Reset your Windows computer. If after following the fixes, the widgets are still not working, you can try resetting the PC to its factory settings. Open Settings under the System tab, go to Recovery. Here, select Reset PC. Now choose if you want to keep your files or remove everything, then follow the instructions to reset your PC. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them below. And share this useful video with your friends and family. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell button to receive alerts for videos on Windows tips and tricks.